Hello, I'm Dylan and I am a part of Denbighshire Youth Council.
Hi, my name's Miri. I come from the Carnarvon area. Dwi'n dod o Gaernarfon. Dwi'n rhan o fforwm Llais Ni Gwynedd.
Hi, I'm Amisha. I'm 16 years old and I represent the Cymru Youth Council.
Hi, I'm Emily. I'm 12 years old and I represent Senator Ifanc, which is the Wrexham Youth Parliament.
As a youth council, do we feel as if we're only heard or actually listened?
Though sometimes it can feel like the adult council are just pretending to listen to the youth councils to say that they've listened to them to tick off boxes, though our voices should be able to make an impact and a change.
Yeah, definitely. I think that there is an element of that, especially with it being a new thing, that lots of people just think, oh, we can talk to this youth council, or we can... I think it's happened in the past with school councils as well. Like, oh, we can talk to them, they'll tell us something, but like we don't really need to listen. But I think that including us is really important. And like inclusivity is obviously a massive part of why we're here and everything.
They need to stop what they're doing and sort of watch and really pay attention to what we're doing and what we're saying, because half the time young people have the best opinions and stuff and the most valid points on different groups and stuff.
As a youth council, it's really hard to be actually taken seriously. We should have our own voice taken into consideration when they're making decisions about us, for us, but they don't have our voices in those particular meetings.
I think that the adult councils can feel like we're either trying to undermine what they're saying or not take us seriously, and that it needs to be clear that we just want communication for us to be able to get our point across too as an equal. Now we're going to discuss what the possible benefits of being on a youth council or parliament could be.
Something else that really is a big benefit, I think, of the forum is the way I can take part in discussions, like being on panels to select people to work for the council. For example, I was on a panel to choose someone, and it was just so interesting seeing all these different candidates and really feeling heard in the process and feeling like, oh, they value my voice in this whole process of selecting someone. And it really put me in rooms where I felt valued along with adults, and it just put me in interesting rooms with so many interesting people that I read about or I watch on local television. Ac oedd o just mor ddiddorol, a mae'n ffynnu gymaint o ddiddordeb ynddo fi. A mae o just yn ffynnu chwilfrydedd, ac mae'n neud fi mor excited am y dyfodol ac rhoi diddordeb I fi.
I completely agree, and I also think that it's not just like on your CV that you've been in youth parliament or council. It also helps a lot with confidence and mental health. Like before I joined youth parliament, I would have never thought I'd be like on a podcast or doing like interviews or talking in front of people. But now I think I'm able to, and it's helped a lot with my speaking in front of people.
There's so many important and exciting and interesting opportunities that you can get. So I know as well, I went to the actual chamber, the Senedd chamber in Cardiff, which was such an amazing experience. I really agree with you there that it's just so amazing to see the places where people argue and debate about the different decisions being made for us as a nation, as Wales. So it's so important and interesting to see those different little things that may seem insignificant to others, but when you put it into your own views and you see it from your own eyes, really makes a lot of difference.